Hello students, today is Monday, October the 26th, 2015. Here are your announcements. If you're in English 1, 2, or 3, U.S. History, then you have a Tennessee Ready test coming up the week of November the 16th through the 20th. The second part of that will be the week of December 14th through the 18th. Do you have to come twice and take it? Yes, you do. I think we've been clear about that. 2 parts to the test. The first part is essay based. The second part that you'll take in December has like dragging, fill in the blank, multiple choice, that kind of stuff. English 1, 2, 3, U.S. History. If you're in chemistry, then you will have a test like a regular paper pencil EOC test the week of December the 14th. So be ready. It's going to be a crazy week here at TOPS because we are getting our accreditation. What that is we've asked a company called Advanced Ed to accredit us. This used to be known as SACS accreditation, SACS, and now it's still known as that, but the accrediting agency is not the Southern Association for College and Schools. They, a company called Advanced Ed does it now. They're going to be here on site Thursday and Friday. I'll probably do an announcement while they're here, just to like make them feel awkward, basically. Wait, they're gonna see these. I'll do it to make them feel special. You should have a lot of work to do this week. I don't know why. It just seems like people are whining about how much work they have to do, which makes me happy, which means we're giving you an adequate amount of work and not too little to do. We are, after all, founded on the Puritan fundamentals that idle hands are the devil's playthings. So we want to keep you busy, even this close to Halloween. Am I allowed to say Halloween? For Halloween week, we are going to be reading The Raven. Actually, I'm going to be reading it to you. Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered weak and weary over a many quiznit and curious volume of forgotten lore, while I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at my chamber door. "'Tis some visitor," I muttered, tapping at my chamber door. Only this, and nothing more. Ah, distinctly I remember it was in the bleak December, and each separate dying ember wrought its ghost upon the floor. Eagerly I wished the morrow, vainly I'd sought to borrow from my books surcease of sorrow, sorrow for the lost Lenore, for the rare and radiant maiden whom the angels name Lenore, nameless here forevermore. And the silken sad and certain rustling of each purple curtain thrilled me, filled me with fantastic terrors never felt before. So that now to still the beating of my heart I stood repeating, "'Tis some visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door, some late visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door. That it is, and nothing more." Presently my soul grew stronger, hesitating then no longer. "Sir," said I, "or Madam, truly your forgiveness I implore. But the fact is I was napping, and so gently you came rapping, and so faintly you came tapping at my chamber door, that I scarce was sure I heard you. Here I opened wide the door, darkness there, and nothing more." We'll pick up tomorrow. I'm an alligator.